it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're all having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to talk to you about the kind of things that I'm going to be taking with me as I go back to work. So yes, this is kind of a video of my back to work essentials. It would also work as kind of back to school essentials for anybody going back to school and things. It's a very, very basic video. I just thought the other day I was getting some stuff ready for going back to work. We go back to work. It'll be today as you're watching this. I'll be on my first day back at work, officially in the building with everybody. For those who don't know, I work with adults with learning disabilities. So it's going to be something where we're going to need a lot of health and safety procedures and things and bits and bobs. So I just thought I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing to go back to work to kind of keep me safe. Okay, so it's not going to be a crazy complicated video. I'm basically just going to show you my bag and what I'm packing in it. So we're going to start with the bag itself. This is the bag that I am taking back to work. It's one I've had a little while. It's actually supposed to be like for new mothers, mothers of babies. It's like a baby bag. It's got lots of various pockets. Inside I've got at the minute a raincoat and a pencil case and things, but it's got like zippy compartments. It's got a couple of compartments at either side. It's got a zip at the back, kind of in there. And then at the front it's got like a front zip, and then it's got a big compartment which has, well, these are actually supposed to be for baby bottles. They're like lined, so you could keep bottles in there. It has pocket at the side, which I believe is actually for wipes, and then another pocket at the side. So basically it's going to fit a lot of stuff in there, and it's got a lot of pockets. I just thought it was perfect. This comes from Groupon. Depending on when you buy it, Groupon's prices can go up and down. It ranges from about £15 to 20. I think I paid about 17 maybe for this, but it's super useful. It comes in other colours. I went for standard black, but there's greys, pinks, blues. It's just a really useful bag. It's I got it a little while ago, and I'll be honest, I kind of was overfilling it, but now that we're going back and it's just kind of, we're staying put really, we aren't going far, it's perfect. I'm just sling it over my back to go into work with, and then I've got everything I need. So I'm going to talk to you about the things that I need that I'm going to be putting in here. Okay, I've done myself a little list. I'm just going to go through the list with you of the things I'm going to be popping in. Some of the things are already in the bag. So the first thing, and this is going to be an important thing, we're all going to want hand sanitizer. Now, where I work, we actually do have hand sanitizer at the minute by every door. And there's hand wash and stuff in the bathrooms and things, you know, works keeping us safe as it is. But, you know, just to keep myself extra safe, and I'll probably put this on before I eat lunch and things, I have my own hand sanitizer. I get the ones from Superdrug. I think these are about £1.25, and they come in various different, I was going to say flavours, scents, if you know what I mean. This one is aloe vera. I've also got a strawberry and raspberry one that's aside for when this one runs out. But they do go quite far. There's 100 mils in there, so they're like the kind of perfect handbag size without being too small. Okay, similar to that, I also have a spray in here from Revolution. It is their multi-use antibacterial hand cleansing spray, where it's gentle enough to, you can spray it on other things, so you can like spray it on your hands to sanitize those, or you can spray it on like work surfaces or whatever. This was £6 for a bottle, which I don't know if it's more expensive, but it's a gentle one. It's from Revolution. I trust them, so that's one that I'm keeping in my bag. Okay, so, and another thing for keeping us safe, we're going to be needing a face mask these days. I did get one from Superdrug that I quite like, but I've since found my favourite one is actually from, I can't remember what the seller was called, but I got it off Etsy. It's a silk mask. These ones are so much nicer for your skin. They're a little bit more breathable, but keeping you safe at the same time. I've looked it up, and actually silk is one of the best that you could use to, well, A, keep your skin safe, and B, keep droplets and things out. So I will highly recommend that one. It, like I say, it's very comfortable. It comes in a range of colours, so I'll link that down below and you can check it out for yourself. There's an Instagram account as well for the seller, so I'll probably put a little post about that maybe on my Instagram, because I genuinely, this is the best mask I've come across. Also, just kind of along those lines, following some tips Revolution gave, I've been putting this in my bag when I've been wearing my mask, and it's their hydrating hyaluronic antibacterial essence spray. So just to kind of refresh my face once I've been wearing a mask, I've just been given a little spritz. And that's just to freshen up my face and kills any germs or bacteria as well, and it kind of helps a little bit with breakouts and things and keeps your skin nice and moisturised. This was £6 as well, I believe. I think all Revolution's essence sprays are, but this one's an antibacterial one. Similar to the face mask then, going back to work we have to wear either a face mask, well, we have to wear a face covering, so either a face mask or a visor when we're just in the building itself. If we're in close contact with people, it must be a mask. But I've got this. This is like a visor, but it's one of those ones that's not going to be too restricting. You wear them basically like a pair of glasses, and it works perfectly well. It's got very good coverage. So yeah, I mean, I'm going to look super cool, I'm sure, but it's just a little bit more comfortable than the ones that go around the top of your head, and you know, there's various things you can wear. It's more breathable than a mask, because it's going to be something we're going to have to wear all day long. This I got from eBay. I think I got 2 of them for £12, but the more you buy, the cheaper they are. So I'll link that down below as well. Like I said, they're from eBay, and that's the comfiest kind of way of wearing a mask, I think, is going to be as a pair of glasses. And I think I know somebody who wears glasses as well, and they say that they do kind of fit over your glasses should you need them to. So yeah, that's a good one. I suppose another thing which I didn't actually mention when I was talking about hand sanitizer, I did want to mention, it might be also important to pack a hand cream in your bag. I haven't actually put one in yet. I've got one by my bed. I've got hand creams all over. I will be grabbing one before I pack my bag. Just because some of these hand sanitizers and things can be quite drying on our hands. So I think it's important. And I think I've actually seen you can get hand sanitizers that have moisturizer built in, or like a hand cream that has the antibacterial stuff built in. So they might be useful to look into actually. Another thing is I'm going to be taking my own bottles, and I'll be taking my own packed lunchbox. I don't have that on me. You've seen a packed lunchbox before. In fact, you've seen mine before. I did it on a haul when I went to the Metro Centre. I have a lovely panda one, and I'll be taking my own cutlery and my own food. And also a metal water bottle. This one is from Skinny Dip, but I've got one from Revolution as well. And these are actually amazing. They genuinely keep cold things cold. With work recently, we've been doing some kind of home visits, like doorstep visits from a distance. So I had been taking this bag with me, and I've been taking this, and I found that if I put chilled water in there, it lasts all day. I mean, they also claim to keep things hot, but I haven't actually tried that yet. But if it keeps things cool like they do, then the hot might well work. So they are definitely worth buying one of those, definitely. So I just popped that in one of the sides. Another thing I want to show you that I've bought for going back to work. This was off Amazon, I think. I got this little guy, and it's a no-touch kind of grabber, so you can grab the doors with it. You can press buttons if you know you're going to be crossing a road or going in a lift or something. It's just something useful to have, just that extra little bit of safety if you don't feel comfortable, or if you haven't got your hand sanitizer on you. I found it useful. I've got one of these. It came in a 4-pack. This one's just gone out my bag. It's brand new, so I'm okay to keep touching it as much as I am. I've got one in like with my dog walking stuff, and it's been useful to like lift the poop bag bins and things without me, because I know this is probably me being extra paranoid, but like coming back from walking the dog after I touched a poo bin, not like it's not gonna have poo up on it, but it's just the fact that somebody else might have touched it, and who knows what they might have had. I found that I felt like I was like holding the finger out that I touched the bin with, like wasn't. And then I would go in and I'd straight wash my hands straight away. And I know that's me being paranoid. But anyway, so this thing it's a useful little thing. Just that extra bit of care, because we don't always have the hand sanitizer, boom, right there to hand, unless you've got your trusty bag full of stuff. I also bought this from Amazon. It's attached at the minute, but obviously it's a keychain, so it means I'm not going to lose it. And it's got quite a big grip on it, so I can like kind of grab it from behind me if I need to, if I'm wearing it. And if I want to then press a button on something or open a door, it's quite useful. So I just thought that was a good thing as well. So I'll link those below. I think those were both from Amazon. I think they might have been like £8 for the pack of 4, and I got a pack of 3 of these stretchy things for about £3, I think. But like I say, it's all bits and bobs to keep us safe. So really, that's kind of all I wanted to show you. I just thought it might be useful showing you guys how and what I'm packing to go back to work with, as some of you are probably in the same position. And yeah, it's not particularly informative, or it's just me being paranoid and what the things are that I feel like I need to pack for work. Like I say, obviously in there I didn't show you my lunchbox. I'll be taking my own cutlery, probably my own napkins and things. I also have just ordered a pack of handy wipes from Superdrug, so there'll be a Superdrug haul coming hopefully towards the back end of this week, with like handy wipes. just like wipes that go for your hands, but I thought they'd be useful for like tables and different bits and bobs. I can throw them in my bag. And I think I ordered a little mini packet as well, so they can go in maybe like my dog walking coat and things. It's just anything that feels useful, anything to make us feel more comfortable going back into the crazy world that we're living in this year. Anyway guys, if you've got any things you think I should be packing, any tips for me, then please let me know. Drop me a comment, or if any of these you found useful, let me know that too. And if you've liked the video, please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It'll be fabulous. I was going to say I have videos like this all the time, but I don't really. I have unboxings, I do various hauls, yada yada. If you take a look on my channel, you'll get an idea. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Take care guys. Bye bye.